Hello, machine knitting friends. Today I will demonstrate how to hand manipulate a tuck stitch pattern, lace pattern. First I'm going to set my carriage to 10. I'm using 100% mercerized cotton. Both my levers on the carriage is on the equal. Oh, I forgot my transfer tube. I'm going to push out 15 needles on each side of 0 and do a E-wrap cast on. My carriage is set to tension 10. Both levers are on the equal sign before I knit 2 rows. This would be a great stitch pattern for summer garments. Knit 2 rows and hang your weights. Now I need to reset the carriage by pushing both sides levers to hold position. I need to use a transfer tool to set up my first row as follows. Skip the first 2 needles on the right, transfer the 3rd needle onto the adjacent needle at the left, skip 1 needle, transfer the next needle, stitch to the adjacent needle, and put that needle in hold position. Skip 1, transfer the adjacent stitch onto the next needle, place it in hold, and repeat across the knitting bed. Skip 1 stitch, transfer the next onto the adjacent needle on the left, skip 1 stitch, transfer the adjacent stitch to the adjacent needle and place it in hold. Now make sure both levers are set to hold position. Knit 3 rows, tuck rows, stop, place the right lever to normal knitting, that's the equal sign. Now push out the needle adjacent to the needle out of work to hold position as demonstrated. Make sure your right lever is on hold and knit 3 rows. After you knit the 3 rows, release the lever on the right to normal knitting and repeat as demonstrated. knit, place the needles adjacent to the outer work needle to hold. Make sure the lever on the right is set to hold. Release after you knit 3 rows, and it knits all the needles, and repeat this process. And this is the design that you get. This was created using synthetic wool. Thank you for viewing Teleknits.com.